Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin wa bihi nasta'in wa la umuri dunya waddin wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrafil anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajmain amma ba'du. So, hi everyone, I'm Yasmin and here I will explain and giving you a tutorial on making a disaster alarm on the Microbit software, and before that I will explain what is embedded system first. So, what is embedded system? Field that studies the microprocessor by combining various devices, hardware, and software programmatically in a computer system or system-based computer that can be implemented to meet computing needs in general. Of course, the purpose is functioned on in human life. So next, what is disaster alarm? Technological innovations are increasingly varied. Field enthusiast technology is competing to create appropriate innovations to provide an overview solutions in various fields. One of them is monitoring natural events. Various or methods are designed to help provide information or early warning before a disaster occurs. One of existing disaster detection tools seismograph can detect the presence of earthquakes and provide information to humans in the form of a skill graph. Earth vibration that cure. Technological innovation develops from the nation youth to learn how to effectively provide early disaster information. Various types of smart devices or prototypes created from various circles and even from students interested in the IT field. In this project, we will learn to innovate, provide disaster early warning in the form of a prototype. Flood detection is an embedded project system that can give a warning alarm if a condition shows. Characteristics of a flood. Before designing a prototype, we must know what only the characteristics of conditions that are predicted to occur floods. From those characteristics, there we have to take the most supportive and can be reached by a device. That after getting the right parameters, then we determine devices that allow it to be used. Then, the work logic between devices, as well as planning the position of a tool. Next, basic theory. Superbit is a user-friendly microbit socket because it has been integrated with a battery that can be charged and available in a variety of pins that can compatible with various external components or devices. Superbit has special extensions to enable special pins such as servo pins, motors, and Superbit RGB LEDs. Extensions provide special code block to be able to control servos, motors, and RGB without complicated wiring or enough connect to an available pin. The special pin is very user friendly because simple wiring, just as proper wiring, does not require a driver again to control it. Devices, and here are the devices for the devices, and here are the devices for the disaster alarm, namely water level sensor. This water level sensor is a type of analog sensor with voltage operating at 5 volt DC. This sensor has dimension of 60 mm x 20 mm x 8 mm with a detection area of 30 mm x 16 mm, sufficient size for prototype scale. We will study operate analog sensor in analog files using microbits. To analyze it to be used as the standard parameter value. One microbit is a microcontroller or brain tool, and one board microbit can use expansion board, and one water level sensor, Panca Indra prototype, and one water level sensor, and then jumper cables for wiring between devices. And then the last is micro USB cable for uploading programs to microbit. Okay, maybe this is my explanations, and let's go to the microbit software. Okay guys, so to be here, we must search Microbit microbit.org like this. Okay, and then we click new project for we make the project disaster alarm, and then we give the name first, disaster, um, com- compile, and then after this we click create to compile program. Okay guys, so in here, okay guys, so in here there is a basic like show number, show less, and other, and then input. There is on button A, and on shake, on pin, and other. And then there's a music for we play the melody or play tone, and yeah. And then LED and radio, and then there's a loops, logic, variables, and math. And there's extensions. And next, we make the code up. Okay, on forever, on forever, we search serial write serial write value, and then we press here, and then we drag in forever, and then we change the X is gempa, and then we duplicate the gempa, and then we change this is air or water. Okay, and then for 0 and 0, we search digital read pin, and then we drag in 0 here, and then we click, and then we search analog, and then we drag in 0 here, and then we change pin 0 to pin 1, and then we change analog read pin 0 to analog read pin 2. And then next, under the serial write value I analog read pin 2 is if. We search if, and then we drag in serial write value I. Okay, next, we click logic, and then we search this. Okay, okay guys, in here, we duplicate digital read pin 1 to here. Okay, and then we change the 0 to 1. Okay, after that, we press and then we drag like this. And after that, we duplicate like this, and then we drag in here. And then we change digital read pin 1 in here. We change analog. The way is like this. And then we change 1 to 200. Okay, next under if is serial write pin 1 to serial write pin 0 to 1. And the next under if is digital write pin 1 to and the next and the next under if is digital write pin 0 to 1. We search digital, and then we change the 0 to 1, and under digital is show number. We click basic and then we drag show number. Okay, under show number is pause ms. Pause ms, this, and then we change the 100 as 1000. One second. And then under pause is nothing. And then under this, yeah, under plus this is digital wrapping 0 to 0. The way is we duplicate here and then we change the 0 is 1. The 1 is 0. Finally, this is the finally code like this. And yeah, so that's all from me. I'm sorry if I have a mistakes. Ya, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi